Meet the 2023 Jaguar F-PACE P250 S, a luxury SUV that combines refined British styling, sporty performance, and premium technology. Finished in elegant Fuji White with a luxurious leather interior. This all-wheel drive F-PACE is designed to make every drive feel first class. When it comes to confidence on the road, the adaptive suspension paired with all-wheel drive and traction control continuously adjusts to changing road conditions, providing exceptional comfort, stability, and handling in almost any environment. Under the hood, you'll find a responsive 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, offering the perfect balance of performance and efficiency. One of its standout features is the advanced Pivi Pro connected navigation system, giving you intuitive navigation and seamless connectivity wherever you go. With just 51,496 miles, this 2023 Jaguar F-PACE P250 S delivers luxury, capability, and performance in one stylish package. Contact our dealership for more details.